Hello and welcome to this session. My name is Atuluku Sunday, and if you are here, you are wondering what is data analysis. Yes, I know you looking at this right now. You've heard on your timeline everywhere what is data analysis. You are seeing people trending, I'm a data analyst, and learn data analysis today and learn data analysis to improve your future and everything. Yes, so we are going into the learning process of what data analysis is. Before we go into the tools that are being used, we want to really understand the concept of what we are doing so that you don't rush in and rush out. You get to know what it entails, you get to know if you are ready for this journey. So that is what we are going to be doing today. And on this, we shall be defining what data analysis is, the types of analysis, the kind of the processes involved in data analysis, and all what you have there. And we'll be touching a little bit on the statistics and all that. So stick around for what we have. So what is data analysis? Data analysis is a journey of discovery, insight, and decision making. It involves inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data. Then the goal is to discover useful information, inform conclusions, and support decision making. Notice that what you are going to be doing as a data analyst is you are going to inspect the data, you will clean the data, you will transform the data, and you will model the data. Don't worry, you'll get this concept very soon. Now, what are the types of data analysis? The types of data analysis that we have are descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, exploratory analysis, prescriptive analysis, and the predictive analysis. Don't worry, the names all already define what they mean. So let us look at the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis, in summary, is summarizing and presenting the data set in basic form using the statistical variables as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and distribution. And this can be visualized using histogram, pie chart, or the bar chart. For example, you have a raw data that you've collected from your database, and you have this unstructured data and everything. You need to summarize them to see what this data is carrying. What is the mean? What is the median? What is the mode? What is how is the standard deviation? That is the closeness or far away of the distribution points. That is your data sets away from your mean. So this is what data descriptive analysis is all about. And this answers a question using these charts that are mentioned above, the histogram, pie chart, and bar chart. Then we have the diagnostic analysis. As the name is, it tells us why certain events occur, and it focuses on identifying cause and effects relationship within the data set. Also, it is used in analyzing machine performance data, maintenance logs, and operational parameters. For example, something is happening, you need to ask as a data analyst, why is this thing happening? You need to ask as a data analyst, what is the cause and what is the effect of this thing that is happening? Your machine is behaving in such a way. What is causing this? What is causing that? That is diagnostic analysis. Then we have predictive analysis. Now, from the name, you predict the future based on historical data. For example, you have seen a weather forecast. That is, they tell you at so and so time by so and so day, it is going to rain or we are going to experience heavy sunshine. Now, that is predictive analysis, and it is based on historical data that they've analyzed, modeled, and they've seen a certain trend and pattern and probabilities to be able to inform that decision. Then we have the prescriptive analysis. Now, just as the name implies, it is analyzing factors such as transportation routes, vehicle capacities, and delivery schedules. Now, what this means is this. For example, you've seen on your map where you are going to when you are going to somewhere, it tells you take this route. However, this route is the best or an alternative or the best line of action that you should take. Now that is prescriptive analysis. Or you have a delivery coming in. You see, okay, it is going to come at so and so time and so and so time. Now that is prescriptive analysis. So as a data analyst, you should know when to apply each and every one of these. Then we have the exploratory analysis. We call it the exploratory data analysis, that is EDA. Now, oftentimes people confuse this with the descriptive analysis because they are similar, but then they have distinct differences. Now, exploratory analysis involves delving into data without preconceived hypothesis. It seeks to uncover hidden patterns and relationships or anomaly. Now, what this does is this: it uses you will go into your data set and you kind of explore what is there, and it uses the tools of also the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and all that. And you can visualize them using the scattered plot, the box and whisker. Then you can use your histogram also to visualize it and explore to carry out an exploratory data analysis. And yes, you will need a little basic knowledge on statistics to understand these concepts very well. In conclusion, know that data analysis is a compass to the vast sea of information. You have information everywhere. You need a compass to take you there. Data analysis takes you there. It helps unravel mysteries, predict trends, and uncover hidden gems. And most importantly, know that it is about the stories that you tell with the data you have been given.